So guys, hello guys. We have an interview here. A very important person. Ah, yeah, I know. Okay. So tell me, how is your day? Huh? Ah, no. So how is your day, ma'am? Ay. Galit na. Ah, mama, sit down na. She's shy to the camera, guys. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Very important person. I know. Look at to the camera here. See? The camera is here. Miming. The camera is here. Okay. Ayaw. Okay, thank you for your time. Okay, bye-bye. You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye na. Mamaw. Ay, say bye-bye. Attack mode. He's doing attack mode, guys. Yeah, attack mode. Okay, yalla, bye.